Happy Vlogmas, day 15. Welcome to my mess. How are you? Here's where I'll be most of today. This is my daughter's little station. And when I'm not at the computer designing, I'll be in here. We have presents to wrap, we have messes to clean, and gifts to make. It really doesn't take much to clean it up once everything has its own place. So that's our motivation for today, is finding a place for the things that don't have a place. I get off work today. I have a vacation day, just a random day on the calendar that was open, and I put my name on it. One of the good things about a corporate job: my daughter is home because of the blizzard. It's pretty great.